Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Hungary withdraws from ICC. Why in news? Recently, Hungary announced its withdrawal from the International Criminal Court. This move marks Hungary as the first European Union nation to step away from the ICC. A state's withdrawal from the court takes effect only 1 year after the deposit of the withdrawal letter with the United Nations Secretary General's office. So far, only Burundi and the Philippines have withdrawn from the court. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Impact of the withdrawal. Hungary's withdrawal from the ICC is significant as it was a founding member of the court established by the Rome Statute. Hungary's withdrawal may set a precedent for other countries to reconsider their involvement in international justice. The move is unlikely to significantly impact the ICC's operational capacity but could influence future international relations regarding the court's legitimacy. Despite the withdrawal, Hungary is still expected to cooperate with the ICC as per the existing agreements. International Criminal Court. ICC is a permanent judicial body established by the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court to investigate, prosecute and try individuals accused of genocide, war crimes and crimes against humanity and to impose prison sentences upon individuals who are found guilty of such crimes. On 1st July 2002, after the requisite number of countries, 60, ratified the agreement, the court began sittings. It is headquartered in the Netherlands at The Hague. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country is the first EU nation to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? France, Italy, Hungary, Germany. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.